isang makatotohanan na kwento na nais ipakita sa pelikula. And this is also very evident in our full-length film category, di ba, Director?
Yes, I agree. Of course, production design is very, very meticulous, that all of us have to be careful with the details that are seen on screen. This award celebrates the meticulous effort put into production in order for the audience to feel the reality of the whole scene. Here are the nominees for Panalo sa Production Design for our full-length film category.
Panalo sa Production Design. Mga nominado, full-length category. Jessica Salangsa, Rito. Marcy Maulen Fatu, Olsen's Day. Melvin Lacerda, Journey. Kyle Fernando, Sabi. Ang panalo sa Production Design full-length category.
Ang panalo sa Production Design for the full-length film category is Kyle Fernandez.
Appreciate it to say I came in unprepared to. Yun po yung totoo. Nakakataba po ng puso at saka nakaka-humble. Thank you po. Sana pagbigyan niyo ako kasi medyo maraming pasalamat. First of all po, si TM Alones, thank you sa pagsali. Tsaka sa suporta. Sabay ko na rin po yung director ko sa Tagkiliwit. Thank you din po, director, for the casting. Not only but also along the filmmakers and talents. Of course, yung mga mentors ko po na hindi mawawala. Hindi ko pasasalamatan, sina Dr. Albert Panares, mga taga-suporta ng Beacon of Personal Science. Of course, si Direct Ina Iskasa at Iskasa. Hindi po ako magsasawang pasalamatan sila dahil sa kanila po ako galing. Sila po yung nagbigay ng daan, nagbukas ng daan para sa akin para dito po ako. Of course, sa community po natin sa Western Visayas, kami po ay pinubuo ng isang tahimik pero maliit ng visionaryo sa Western Visayas. Gusto ko pasalamatan sa lahat. Sina Richard Sabatico, sina Cardinal Contes. Basta marami ko sila lahat, sorry. Of course po, gusto ko rin pasalamatan ang family ko for being ever supportive. Kaya dito pa rin po ako nakatayo. And to my inspiration, motivation, yung mga ako po, si Nanaj, si Mike, si Jen. And of course, to my better half, Grace, great, thank you. Si Panalo, thank you po for opening doors for us, giving us opportunity, especially po sa mga filmmakers from the region. Hindi niyo po alam kung gaano po namin kailangan po. Mabuhay po. Mabuhay si Panalo. Regional cinema, mabuhay. Mabuhay sa pelikulang Pilipino.
Maraming salamat and congratulations, Mr. Kyle Fermendoza.
From breathtaking landscapes and wide shots to intimate close-ups, ang cinematography ay isang paraan ng pagkwento gamit ang visuals.
That's right. Panalo sa Cinematography Award recognizes the artistic vision of the film, the visual styles and techniques that we can see all throughout the films this year.
At ngayon, oras na para makilala natin ang mga nominado para sa panalo sa cinematography para sa student short film category.
Panalo sa cinematography. Mga nominado, student shorts category. Henry Dioval Candelario and Divina Rose Villasis, Dayabura. Robert Pareja, Ulian. Daryl Joshua Aguilar, Champion. Daniel Tabios, sa Pagbunga. Lance Lascan, kaya on point. Tyrone Tauta, Del Cruz 1B. Ang panalo sa cinematography student shorts category.
This is a tough category, one that I'm sure really pushed our jury during the deliberation period, but there could only be one winner.
That's right. Ang panalo sa cinematography for the student short film category is Lance Lascano. Dan on point.
To present the trophy for Panalo sa cinematography student short film category, may we call on Director Stan Gua from MFP Rentals, one of the official partners for Your Goals in Panalo 2025.
Your Goal for this opportunity para makapag-showcase ng talent and skills. Thank you to sa mga people na, keeps pushing me to be better. Sa mga friends ko, at sa lahat ng mga nag-work ko dito. I'm so happy right now na, almost all of the people here, kilala ko. And, parang malaking bonding na. Thank you, Your Goal, the MFP, mga sponsors, especially si CMB, Tita Jean, thank you! And sa Southpair and everything, and especially kay Direk Adel, nagtiwala sa akin para ma-push through yung picture niya.
Congratulations once again to Lance Lascano.
All of our full-length films demonstrated a remarkable standard of exceptional cinematography. And just a quick trivia, here's the Panalo sa cinematography. We had the longest deliberation for all of our judges. So that makes this category so exciting. Let's take a look at the nominees for Panalo sa cinematography for the full-length film category.
Panalo sa cinematography. Mga nominado, full-length category. Dan Villegas, Cara Moreno, Ocean's Day. DM Malones, Pictinino. Dominic Ladd, Germany. DM Malones, South. Ang panalo sa cinematography full-length category.
All right, Maui, as I mentioned earlier, this had the longest deliberation. We would like to inform everyone that we have a tie. Panalo sa cinematography is Dominic Ladd.
Pure Gold Cinema Film Festival 2025, along with his daughter, Steph Baltazar.
tinatanggap po namin itong award nito. Maraming salamat po sa recognition, Pure Gold Cinepanalo, at sa JG Productions, at sa Clever Minds. Maraming salamat sa pagkilala kay Cara Moreno. Thank you po.
I would like to thank God and first and foremost, Pure Gold, CMB, Sir Jim, for supporting us. Also my co-director, my brother, for really trusting in me and doing our shot like single cam and everything. And and my crew, especially my cameraman, Mark, Aldwin, and Elmer. Thank you guys. Thank you for all the stuff too. Thank you.
Once again, congratulations to Mr. Dominic Lat and Ms. Cara Moreno. Wow, our judges are really having a hard time in this competition.
Yes, I agree. At saka alam mo, talagang it shows na mahuhusay ang ating mga nominees and winners for tonight. Kasi diba, the fact na hirap yung judges and nagkakaroon tayo ng tie for specific awards. Ayan.
Of course, at this point, we have some good news for everyone. Just like last year, one of our partners, the MTRCP, has continued to support Pure Gold Cinepanalo. And of course, they will be giving the Responsableng Paglikha for both our student short and full-length film categories. As filmmakers, we have, of course, this opportunity to share our stories responsibly.
The Responsableng Paglikha Award is given to films that exhibit not only creativity but also contemporary Filipino values while promoting a safe viewing experience for the children.
Our third placer para sa Responsableng Paglikha para sa student short film category is One, Two, Three, Strike by Kenneth Flores.
To present the trophies for Responsableng Paglikha, may we call on MTRCP members Raquel Cruz and Jan Marini Anak.
Adalbert Apriconda.
Thank you po sa Responsabling Panlikha Awards sa Canon Boy. Ayun, maraming salamat po. Yun lang. Sorry.
Thank you and congratulations once again to...
Congratulations to Adalbert Apriconda for Dan on Point, our first placer.
Ang Responsabling Paglikha para sa full-length category. Oh, photo muna. Okay. Journeyman!
Maraming salamat po sa recognition ito. Thank you po.
Once again, congratulations to Journeyman. Maraming salamat to NTR TV.
Kanina, Director, nabanggit natin, merong nagbalik, pero hindi lang yan. Meron din isa pang nagbabalik. Mobile Fund, also one of our partners, ay narito muli upang magbigay ng Special Citation Awards for both our student short and full-length categories.
Of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our guests from Mobile Fund who are here with us today. We have, of course, Ms. Luz and Roma Rodrigo, Sir Rez Cortez, Mr. Joey Roa, and Mr. Ricky Orellana.
May we call on stage Mobile Fund President Rez Cortez to present the awards to our winners.
All right, the Special Citation Award for the Student Short Film category goes to Champ Green, Clyde Quezon Gamay.
Gusto ko pasalamat ng crew ko. Gusto ko pasalamatan si Steve Panalo, Direct Peace. Of course, ang Pure Gold itself. Gusto ko pasalamatan ang 901 for being very supportive sa multiple entries for Steve Panalo. Direct Chubi, Direct John, and Direct Play. Thank you so much. Isa sa pangarap ko ay mapasok sa MOL, sa ulo ko. Thank you so much. Panalo po tayong lahat dahil magtipon-tipon tayo lahat. Thank you po.
And of course, the Special Citation Award for the full-length film category goes to Olsen Stay, J.P. Hava. Good question, Maui. A good story or script is the foundation of what will transpire on screen and how the story will unfold. Ultimately, what I've heard from my good friend, that story is always king.
That's right. At narito na ang mga nominado para sa Panalong Kwento Student Short Film category.
Panalong Kwento. Mga nominado, Student Shorts category. Keith Earl Rebaño, Dayaura. Naya Nicole Mendoza and Francesca Maria de la Cruz, Timers. Jasper Galicio, Cinesi. Van Marco B. Mola Cruz, Uyan. Kofi Nangkil, Julie Antoinette Duran, and Antoine Hernandez, Sam. Sean Rafael A. Verdejo, De La Cruz, Juan. Clyde Quizon Gamale, Jack Green. Ang Panalong Kwento Student Shorts category.
At ang Panalong Kwento sa Student Film category ay Clyde Quizon.
To present the trophy for Panalong Kwento, may we call on Director and Chairman of Terminal 6 Post, Jab Vidanes.
For giving me this award. This means a lot sa akin. I remember when Cine Panalo released their first publication sa social media about their first edition of festivals. Sinabit ko po yung sinabit ko po yung Jack Green. And binuo ko yung kwento habang I was traveling from UP, from my school to my apartment in an inside a sasakyan. And sinabit ko po ito siya. And first bubog ko po ang Cine Panalo kasi na-shortlist po ako sa first edition with very the same project.
and I submitted this for the second time, and I got this award. So this really means that ang kwentong Job Creed ay isang kwento ni Junjun kasi naniwala siya sa pangarap niya. And I think nag-resonate din yung kwento sa personal ko na experience. So patuloy tayong maniwala sa ating pangarap, even though na minsan nadadapa tayo, hindi na ibigay sa atin yung mga gusto natin. Patuloy lang tayong maniwala at kawakan ng ating mga pangarap. Thank you so much.
Very well said. Congratulations once again, Clyde. Sa iyo ay back-to-back na panalo.
Now that leads us to the question, what if? The most powerful question in storytelling and filmmaking. What if this happened? What if that were true? We have witnessed a variety of heartwarming and touching stories from all of our full-length films, and tonight we honor the film that asked the most compelling what if. Here are the nominees for the Panalo Cuento full-length film category.
Panalong Kwento. Mga nominado, full-length category. DM Malones, Sabi. JP Hata, Ocean's Bay. Tara Ellingberg, Christian Paulo Lat, and Andrew Papel, Journey. Jody Mones Fontanos, Code. Ang Panalong Kwento full-length category.
At ang Panalong Cuento for the full-length film category is Tara Ellingberg.
Screenplay Award kasi somebody told me hindi ako marunong magsulat. Sir Ricky, happy birthday. This is for you. I love you.
Congratulations to the Tara. Moving on to one of the biggest awards of the night, ang Panalong Pangalawang Aktor.
Suporta sa pangunahing karakter at nagpakita ng magandang chemistry at balanse sa screen.
We were all treated to captivating performances for both the student and short full-length film categories. Of course, all of our actors have shown us their talent, their style, and their delivery, so congratulations to each and every one of you.
And now presenting the nominees para sa Panalong Pangalawang Aktor Student Short Film category.
Panalong Pangalawang Aktor. Mga nominado, Student Shorts category. Ryan John Nazario, G. Gino Alfonso, Dan On Point. Sol Eugenio, Champ Green. Eddie Arca, Sinesi. Esteban Mara, De La Cruz 1B. Timothy Morales, Let's Go Somewhere. Ang Panalong Pangalawang Aktor, Student Shorts category.
At ang Panalong Pangalawang Aktor for the Student Film category ay Sol Eugenio.
To present the trophy for Panalong Pangalawang Aktor, may we once again call on Direk Eman De La Cruz.
Dedicate ko to sa late lola ko. Happy birthday, Ma. It's her birthday today. Ganda regalo nito. And then, of course, I'd like to thank my producers. Click Films, thank you. Direct Light for trusting me Takbong. To my co-actors from Bukidnon, si ako mga anak, si Marian and Mecca. Special mention ko lang po si Banji na tumulong sa akin. Thank you for helping me speak Bisaya fluently. I needed that. Thank you so much. At, sino ba? Siyempre, si DOP namin, Daryl. Thank you for the beautiful visuals. And yung partner namin, the best crew in Mindanao. Maraming salamat. Kayo ang totoong panalo. Thank you po. Thank you.
Once again, congratulations to Mr. Sol Yohen. It is such an honor to witness the talents coming from our full-length film category. The performances of our actors were nothing short of breathtaking. So, who are our nominees for our Panalo Pangalawang Aktor? Let's all find out.
Panalo Pangalawang Aktor. Mga nominado, full-length category. Rafi Tejada. Romnick Sargent. Jeffrey Julie. Nathan Soto. Boji Pasco. Olsen State. Ang panalo pangalawang aktor, full-length category.
Nako, isang mahigpit na labanan sa kategoryang ito. Makikita mo talaga na lahat ng nasa listahan ay napaka-deserving nga naman. Sino ang magwawagi? Malalaman natin. At ang panalong pangalawang aktor para sa full-length film category ay si Jeffrey.
Salamat sa City Panalo, Sir Chris. Mabuhay kayo pag-suporta na sa mga new generation ng mga storytellers, filmmakers, director Ting Pitiliwi. Sa inyo rin ito. Inalek sa inyo. Thank you so much. Magandang gabi. Mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino.
Once again, congratulations to Jeffrey for his role in Big Kitty. Of course, if we have our Panalong Pangalawang Aktor, we also have our Panalong Pangalawang Actress. For many viewers, film is like a puzzle. Maraming pyesa that we need to put all together to make one solid story. And sometimes there's this one piece that makes all of it beautiful all throughout the film.
That's true, Director, no? At ngayong gabi, kikilalanan natin ang pyesa na ito na bumuo ng puzzle dahil sa kanyang ipinamalas na galing sa pag-arte. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the nominees for Panalong Pangalawang Actress, Student Short Film category.
Panalong Pangalawang Aktres. Mga nominado, Student Shorts category. Uziel Delamide, Uwian. Miel Espinoza, Time Purse. Zoe Lim, Sampa.
pangalawang aktres para sa Student Short Film category is Uziel Delamide at Ima Portuguesa.
To present the trophy for Panalo Pangalawang Aktres, may we once again call on Miss Jan Marini Alan.
On behalf of Uziel Delamide, I received this award. Unfortunately, nasa shoot po siya. Tinry po niyang umabol, kaya lang 3 minutes away pa daw siya. So, pwede po mag-stretch po natin 3 minutes. Sobrang swerte ko rin po na makakolaborate si Uziel. Sobrang pure niyang katrabaho, sobrang gaan niyang katrabaho, and sobrang deserve niya po itong award na to. 3 minutes po. Ano pa nasabihin? Pero ayun, Pure Gold Cinema Film Festival, maraming salamat po sa award na to. I believe na sobrang saya niya po ngayong papunta dito. Batiin na lang po natin siya pagdating niya. Yun lang po, thank you.
Thank you so much. Direk, gusto mo ba tayo na lang mag-banter para sa stretch? Gusto mo ba?
Anyway, nominees for the Panalo Pangalawang Aktres are a combination of both seasoned and up-and-coming actresses who all have delivered spectacular performances for our full-length film category. And right now, let us find out our nominees.
Panalo Pangalawang Aktres. Mga nominado, full-length category. Sherry Lara, Olsen Stick. Che Ramos, Olsen Stick. Gabby Padilla, Jasmine Curtis Smith, Journeyman. Alexa Ilaca, Ula. Kira Ballinger, Cole. Ang panalong pangalawang aktres full-length category.
Wow, what a great mix of familiar and fresh faces that occurred. Sino ba sa tingin mo sa kanilang ating panalong pangalawang aktres?
And of course, it's so hard to identify who our winner is, but if I was in the panel of judges, I'd be giving each and every one of them flowers for their grand performance.
I agree. And now it's time to reveal our winner. Ang panalong pangalawang aktres for the full-length film category is Gabby Padilla.
First time ko po maging part ng isang fully Ilonggo film at nakaka-proud po siya. So if you will allow me, I would like to do my acceptance speech in Ilonggo. I would like to share this award with, ay nag-English. Gusto ko i-share award yun eh. with the cast and crew of Tikiliwi. Gamay kami nga team, pero what we lack for in quantity, we make up for in heart. I'm so proud. Super proud gid ko to be part of this team. Direk Tara, salamat sa pagsalig sa storya nga sa amon. Balang may importante gid nga storya para sa imo, kasi tanan nga babae sa pangkuhi mo. Salamat gid for having me in mind. To my best ensemble, especially to my little brother, JP, who is our first-time actor and for me, my best actor. Super honored to be your manang in this film. And of course, to the one and only Tita Ruby Ruiz. Gusto ko pasalamatan akong nga pamilya, tanan nga nag-suporta sa amon sa pag-ubra sang siningan ni. And gusto ko i-dedicate. I also want to thank my management, Creation Studios, and I would like to dedicate this award to all the victims of the patriarchy. Mabuhay ang Ilonggo Cinema. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Gabby, and congratulations once again. And also congratulations to all of our winners so far. Grabe, Direk Kurt, napakahigpit talaga ng laban for tonight. And can I just say, sobrang deserving din nila lahat.
I totally agree. And right now, we're almost halfway through all of our categories.
At syempre, hindi makukumpleto ang Pure Gold Sino Panalo kung wala ang suporta at pagtangkid ng ating mga manonood. Yan ang ating susunod na kategorya, ang panalo sa mga manonood.
The votes have been tallied, the results are in, and now it's time to find out what the audience has decided.
Mga ka-Pure Gold, we all heard you. Ang panalo sa mga manonood para sa student short film category ay Sisenta by May Malaya.
To present the trophy for Panalo sa mga manonood, may we once again call on Pure Gold Senior Marketing Manager and Festival Chair, Ms. Ivy Yedal.
Actually, super laki recognition para sa amin ng audience choice kasi ibig sabihin ma-receive ko yung pelikula at dahil dyan. Happy International Women's Month! Hindi lang naman mga straight, pati ang mga babaeng queer katulad nila Cora at Gina. So, ayan, maraming salamat po.
Congratulations once again. At ito naman po, dumako naman tayo sa ating full-length film category. Ang panalo sa mga manonood ay ang pelikulang pinakapumatok sa ating mga manonood. And it could be the story, the acting, the cinematography, or any other factors. The people have chosen at dikit ang laban for this category, Director.
And that is true because it's not only our judges who are having a hard time, but also our audience. So, here are ang panalo sa mga manonood para sa full-length film category. Congratulations to Colove by Jill Ordaneta.
Gold City Manala Film Festival. First film ko po, and maraming salamat po sa experience na to. Hindi ko po ito makakalimutan yung experience na to. Every time I feel like giving up, aalalahanin ko lang ito experience na to, and tuloy ang laban. And of course, audience choice, oh my God, thank you so much sa mga fans ng Katie Lenz, and Jameson, and Kira. Thank you so much po sa lahat po nag-black screening, sa lahat ng mga kaibigan at kapamilya na pinagbantaan ko ang live pag hindi nanood. Maraming salamat po. Sir Chris, thank you. White Space, thank you. Ars Francisco, thank you po sa lahat ng black screening. And sa mga fans, thank you. Kafam family, maraming salamat po.
Ayan, congratulations. Direct ko naman na dapat ang atake. Pagbabantaan mo ang mga kaibigan mo. Diba? Para manood.
Yes, and of course, we need all the support that we need, especially as filmmakers in our very own regions or areas.
That's right.
Of course, congratulations to all of our awardees. And now, at last, we are now to the most awaited category. We have ang Panalong Aktor.
At ngayon, alam ko excited na tayong lahat malaman ang panalo. Narito ang listahan ng mga nominado para sa Panalong Aktor Student Short Film category.
Panalong Aktor. Mga nominado, Student Shorts category. Lucas Martin, Senpai. Jasper John, Go Cruise 1B. Ron J. Rialubin, Damn on Point. Ethan Lloyd Loyola, Cine Cine. AJ Venosa, Checkmate.
Hey coach, kapatid daw iniiwasan mo.
John Clark Tapalas, G.
Nagsarap yung madawanan eh. Madaog na yan eh.
Benji Belen, sa pagbuhay.
Ganda pa din mo. Umubuhay pa din ang mga alala.
Ang Panalong Aktor Student Shorts category.
Talaga namang na-impress ang jury sa mga nominees ng Best Actor category sa Student Shorts. Labanan ito ng raw at natural talent at husay ng karanasan sa pag-arte.
I think that has a double meaning, but right now, I think it's time to open the envelope to find out if my guess is correct.
At ang ating panalong aktor, it's another tie!
We have Lucas Martin as Sam for Senpai.
And Jasper John as Juan de la Cruz
To present the trophies for Panalong Aktor, may we call on Rez Cortez, President of Moral Fund, one of the official partners of Pure Gold City Manala 2025.
First time ko po ako tumapak sa pag-arte sa screen last year lang, kaya maraming salamat sa Pure Gold, Sine Panalo. Sa lahat ng mga kasama ko sa table, okay na po ba isa-isahin si Direk Shan, si Lance, Tyrone, Gillian, yung lahat po ng co-actors ko, at sa lahat ng mga naniniwala sa akin. Payo ko lang po sa mga kapwa-kabataan na artista, kagaya ko, patuloy po tayong lumikha ng mga pelikula na do not only reflect the social realities, pero mga pelikula na nagpapakita ng ideal society. No? Kasi sa pamamagitan nito mapapakita natin na we can achieve that by coming together, kagaya nitong Pure Gold Sine Panalo. Mabuhay po ang manggagawang Pilipino, mabuhay ang manggagawang kultural, at congratulations din sa mga kasimano ko na Ilonggo na nandito para sa atin ng program.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una po sa lahat na pagkakalaman po ako sa Panginoon. Dahil po yung binili niyo po sa akin. Actually po sa ating lahat po. Salamat po kay Sir Chris and kay Direk Victor Villanueva. At sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Pure Gold Sine Panalo Film Festival. Dahil po binigyan niyo po ng pagkakataon na ibahagi ng mga filmmaker ang kanilang talento sa paggawa ng pelikula. And nagpapasalamat din po sa pamilya ko na lagi nakasuporta sa akin. Lalo na po kay daddy po. OFW po siya, wala po siya ngayon. Pero kasama ko po siya nung nag-shooting po ako dito sa Sampay. Lalong-lalo na po kay mami ko. Malaki ko kasama na yung shooting ako at mag-audition ako. Tuwing magka-casting call ako, tuwing my final casting calls. Thank you for the love and support you gave me. And at syempre po kala Direk Ira, kala Direk Josh, at sa buong production ng Sampay. Muli ako sa Alexander Lucas Martin, gumanap bilang Sam sa pelikulang Sampay. Mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino!
Very nice speech, Lucas.
Once again, congratulations to our winners. Now, who among you have seen all the full-length films? If you did, you'll understand why our jury took so much time to decide who eventually will take home one of the most competitive categories of the festival, the Best Actor Trophy.
Being nominated alone in this category and being in the league of all these excellent actors is truly an honor.
This is exciting, so let's find out who won the hearts of our jury. Let's take a look at the nominees.
Panalong Aktor. Mga nominado, full-length category. R.K. Pagkatsing, Fleet. Khalil Ramos, Ocean's Gate. J.P. Larabe, J.C. Santos, K.D. Estrada, Kodak.
Nakikita kita mo
category.
Ang panalong aktor para sa full-length film category is... Ladies and gentlemen, we have a tie! First up, Khalil Ramos! Period. And tonight, that means celebrating two incredible winners. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a round of applause, please.
And once again, we'd like to request Mr. Cortez to stay on stage for a while again to have our picture taken with other winners. Thank you.
Maayong gabi. Thank you for all the love and support here in Gold Cine Panalo Film Festival. I am so happy to be here and panalong actor. I appreciate the production staff, especially Direk Tara, and my supporting acting director, Sir Nathan, and Direk Tara. Thank you.
Thank you, of course, to Pure Gold Cine Panalo Festival, sa bumubuo ng jury at sa bumubuo ng Gold Festival. Salamat sa ibigay ng plataforma sa kwento katulad ng pelikula namin ng Olsen's Day. Sa pamilya ng Olsen's Day, Direk JP! Salamat sa tiwala ng Direk. Alam ko sobrang personal na itong pelikula nito para sa iyo. At para pagkatiwalaan mo ako na maging bahagi ng kwento nito, napakalaking bagay na para sa akin. Thank you. Sa buong cast and crew, of course, si Kuya Romnick and si Sander, of course, salamat sa inyo. Salamat sa pagiging sobrang generous. Hindi ko kakayanin ito mag-isa. And pinaalala sa akin ng pelikulang ito na lahat naman tayo may binibitbit. Lahat tayo ay minsan naliligaw, pero gano'n kahaba o kahirap ang biyahe, kailangan tandaan lang natin na tayo pa rin ang nasa likod ng manibela. Minsan, ang kailangan natin gawin ay huminto lang ng saglit, lingunin ang ating mga mahal sa buhay, at ipaalala sa kanila na hindi pa rin natin sila nakakalimutan. Salamat po, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Thank you!
Congratulations once again to Khalil Ramos and JP Laroder na sobrang cute, Direk. My gosh. Alright, with grace and breathtaking skill, ang ating panalong actress ay nagpakita ng hindi malilimutan na performance na talagang pumihag sa ating mga manonood mula umpisa hanggang dulo. She stepped up and ultimately became one with her character that we forget that we're actually watching a film.
The sheer abundance of talent in this category is overwhelming. And of course, our lead actresses absolutely shine in every role.
I know, Direk! E kung sino-sino kaya sila, no? Narito ang mga nominado para sa panalong actress for the Student Short Film category.
Panalong Actress. Mga nominado, Student Shorts category. Charmaine Centenera Gwen Camilo, si Sen. Geraldine Villamil, Huwian. Akasha Eve Frank, Time Press. Shorts category.
At ang panalong aktres para sa Student Short Film category is Geraldine Villamil as Renny.
To present the trophy for panalong aktres, may we call on veteran director Victor Villanueva.
Sobrang happy rin kami sa award na to. Sobrang laki ko rin and I'm so blessed. Nakakollaborate ko siya kasi hindi lang siya bilang crew na bilang isang actor. Nakakollaborate ko po siya sa pagpapalalim ko ng istorya. And yes, nandito mo si Miss Oziel. Nakaabol po siya.
Hello po, magandang gabi. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat ulit sa Pure Gold Cinema Film Festival sa opportunities and sa platform po na ibinigay para sa ating mga filmmakers, artists, at sana po ay magpatuloy po tayo sa pagkukwento, pagbabahagi ng ating mga kailangan ibahagi. At mabuhay ang Pure Gold Cinema at mabuhay ang mga manggagawang pelikulang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much. So nice to see that you made it, Miss Oziel, and congratulations once again to Miss Geraldine Villamil. Okay, maraming bagay ang pwedeng maka-apekto sa performance ng isang actress, di ba direct? Pwedeng humugot ng inspirasyon mula sa script, sa set o sa kanilang mga kapwa-aktor. Pero ang totoong nagdadala talaga ay kung paano niya binibigyang buhay ang karakter. At yun ang nagpapaangat sa kanyang performance. Ito mismo ang ipinamalas ng ating panalong actress para sa full-length film.
This is actually another competitive category, Maui, and of course the mix of our nominees is so grand. Great blend of veterans who are no strangers to embracing different roles and up-and-coming actresses who rose to the occasion, of course, to showcase their performance. Now, time to find out who they are.
Panalong aktres. Mga nominado, full-length category. Janela Salvador. Christine San. Ruby Ruiz. Ang panalo actress, full-length category.
Only one will take home our Panalo Actress Award for the full-length film category. And the winner is Ruby Ruiz.
This award. Nadilig ko yung flight niya, so unfortunately hindi po makakaabot. But she would like to share this award with the whole Tinky team, the casting crew kasi sobrang group effort daw talaga para matutulong siya mag-Ilonggo. So salamat daw po sa pagkaway sa kanya. Salamat daw po kay Sir Chris Kahilig at sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Pure Gold City Panalo. Thank you po.
Congratulations once again to our winner. And now, we have another exciting special award from Pure Gold. Ang Pure Gold Always Panalo Trophy. Pinili mismo ito ng brand to honor and celebrate the films that reflect their values and advocacy.
And the winner of the Pure Gold Always Panalo student film is Sampay by Ira Corinne Estera Mania.
To present the trophy for Pure Gold Always Panalo film, may we call on Miss Ivy Pieta.
Sa inyong lahat, hindi ko po inaakala na mananalo kami ng isang award. Background lang po sa aming production. Wala po kami kaalam-alam sa filmmaking. Nung nalaman po namin, nag-open ang Pure Gold Cinepalano ng festival for students. Sino mag-aakala isang opportunity na bibigyan nila ang mga estudyante. Estudyante katulad namin na walang resources ng pagkakataon para magkwento. And dito, sa likod ko, sila yung mga tao na sumuporta, nagpalakas ng loob ko, nagpalakas ng loob namin lahat para magpatuloy. Kaya maraming salamat Sampay Team, sa buong Sampay Team, Pure Gold, Direct Trace, maraming salamat po para sa pelikulang Pilipinas. Salamat. Thank you.
Congratulations to our winner! Lahat sa ating 7 full-length films ay nagpakita ng iba't ibang storya na sumasalamin sa mga kwentong panalo ng mga Pilipino.
It is so hard to pick just one winner when every film, each in their own way, reflects the theme of our festival as whole and the brand's advocacy to champion Filipino stories.
I know that currently, sino naman kaya ang napili ni Aling Puring sa full-length film category? Sino o sino-sino ang mag-uwi ng ating Pure Gold Always Panalo Trophy?
And Pure Gold's Always Panalo film for the full-length film category is... Ladies and gentlemen, we have 2 winners. First up, Journeyman by Christian Paula and Dominic Lack.
And our second winner is Bleeding by Patsy Batala.
Of course, Pure Gold Always Panalo celebrates the films that embody the brand's values. And due to the caliber of talent this year, ultimately our judges felt compelled to award 2 exceptional films instead of 1.
At talaga namang Pure Gold will not hesitate to bend a few rules para lang ma-recognize ang mga deserving. So congratulations!
film as a director. This is Jonella's first festival project. Wala si Laura dito pero ito ang kanyang unang Bisaya speaking role. This is Peter's first film as an actor. For most of us, even RA, first time po namin sa Mati Davao. Kami ang unang pelikula na nagpakita ng ganda ng Mati. This film also highlighted Davao as the chocolate capital of the Philippines. We wanted to tell more stories about different regions in the Philippines as a company. Thank you so much, WAP Studios, for believing in me. Mentor Productions, maraming salamat po for your belief in the Filipino stories. Of course, I'm grateful to share this award with Christian Paolola. We always believe that we're in the same team. And thank you so much, Pure Gold Sinapanalo, for giving this opportunity to us. This is a story of love and ambition, a story of Jonella's character, in the world of aviation, a woman in a male-dominated industry. Maraming salamat.
First of all, I want to say thank you to Pure Gold for choosing our film Journeyman. But before I go to a long speech, I want to say that our film is always phenomenal because of my actor, JC Santos. Woo! Everybody says it. We made this movie, you know, like it's a winner because of his valiant effort as an actor. And I got nothing but love for this guy. And this guy made the movie, and I appreciate him so much for saying yes to this project. And like if you could give him a round of applause for his amazing effort. And once again, thank you for Pure Gold for giving us a platform to showcase our boys. I am so grateful for my team. My brother is here, my mother. I have a winning team right here, and I love them so much. Thank you, Pure Gold. Mabuhay, like, you know, mabuhay, yeah.
Once again, congratulations to our winners. At this point, we will be having our international jury here at Pure Gold Sinipanalo. Through this special citation, we would like to recognize the full-length film that stood out through the eyes of our jury.
Ang mananalo ng prestigious na award ang pinili mismo ni Miss Tina Locke, ang founder at managing director ng Talent Black Nights Film Festival, one of the largest festivals in Northern Europe.
And ang panalo sa international jury for the full-length category is
Journeyman by
On behalf of Miss Tina Locke, may we call on stage Festival Director Mr. Chris Pulido to present the award.
Bakit naalala mo yun?
I was gonna go back and stage, but I'm joking. But I just wanna say thank you to the international jury that recognized our film, because even from the get-go, that was our vision, is to share our vision in the international stage. We were looking, not like we're looking past Pure Gold, but we want to showcase our skill set in the international stage, and I truly appreciate this because I had like world-class skills on my team, my acting ensemble, my team right here. They have a lot of festival experience We got Will on our team, we got Cyril, we got great writers, we got great actors and crew. And once again, thank you, Bugle. This goes great.
Congratulations once again to our winner. Kadalasan ang kapalaran ng isang pelikula ay nakasalalay sa talento ng direktor. Maraming elemento ang kinakailangan upang makagawa ng isang masterpiece na pelikula. Pero merong isang vision, isang tao na nag-uugnay nito at bumubuo na kwento sa kwento na magka-director.
Yes, that is correct. And Maui, and to all and everyone, we are now moving on to present the award for Panalong Director.
Para sa Student Short Film category, narito ang ating mga nominado para sa Panalong Director.
Panalong Director. Mga nominado, Student Shorts category. Sean Rafael A. Verdero, De La Cruz 1B. Van Marco B. Mola Cruz, Uwian. Clyde Quizon Ganado, Check 3. Adelbert Abrigona, Dan Onco. Roninho Dolin, Sinesi. Ira Corinne Esquera Mara, Sampa. Naya Nicole Mendoza, Timers. Ang Panalong Director Student Shorts category.
At ang ating Panalong Director for the Student Short Film category is Van Marco Mola Cruz.
To present the trophy for Panalong Director, may we call on Direk Cheturian.
Sobrang saya ko at sobrang sinishare ko to, yung award na to sa mga taong nakaka-collaborate ko doing this project. Most especially kay David Esguerra, my creative partner, even since day ko actually nagtitiwala sa akin. Sa lahat ng core team ng Sikat, sa DOP namin si Robert, sa editor namin si Christian, sa production design namin si Yandeng. Sa lahat ng nakasama ko sa journey na to, right from the script consultant namin si Direk Ryan Machado, sa lahat ng nagbigay nila sa insights, kay Direk Dwayne, Direk Arte, Kuya Bentol, maraming salamat po. Sa Terminal 6 Post and sa Crowning Glory, maraming salamat po sa pag-support ng project namin. Yun lang po, wala naman sa amin.
Congratulations once again, Van Marco Mola Cruz. Direct, congrats. Sobrang deserved.
And of course, we are all excited to see the masterpieces here in the big screen. Congratulations. Now the competition is also crucial and tied for Panalong Director in the full-length film category. Let's find out who the nominees are.
Panalong Director. Mga nominado, full-length category. Katsi Catalan, Jill Simpson Urbaneta, Coma, Ian Malone. Ang panalong direktor, full-length category.
Wow, what another competitive category. Who is going to be our panalong director for the 2025 Pure Gold Cine Panalo Film Festival?
Ito na ang panalong direktor para sa full-length film category. I see JP!
Para sa isang tao hindi madalas manalo sa buhay, malaking bagay po sa akin. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po sa Pure Gold Cine Panalo Film Festival, Direct Chris. Miss Ivy, maraming salamat po sa CFB, sa JG Productions, sa Hall Fund, sa P6, kina Miss Rowena Jamaji, kina Sir John and Karishma, sa staff and crew, maraming salamat na kina Ate Flor, kina Kara, kina Mao, kina Ian, sa lahat ng staff and crew, kina Khalil, kina Sir Romney, kina Sanders, lahat ng cast, sa pamilya ko, at sa mga kaibigan na nakasama ko for the past 13 years. Maraming salamat. So itong project ko na to, 13 years ago ko siya nasulat nung namatay yung tatay ko. Never kong naisip, never na ako nag-expect na magagawa siya. So para po sa lahat ng mga batang filmmakers na nawawala ng confidence sa mga kwento nila kasi darating din yung tamang panahon na magagawa niyo yung mga kwentong gusto nyo maging pelikula. So, tiwala lang. Maraming salamat.
Congratulations once again to JP and thank you for that very inspiring speech. Alright everyone, kamusta kayo? Okay ka ba tayo? Yes? Yes! Okay, good. Kasi finally, we are here. We are here and on our way to revealing one of our highly anticipated categories, ang pinakamanalong maikling pelikula ng Pure Gold Cine Panalo Film Festival.
For the second year of Pure Gold Cine Panalo, we can see how the festival has grown, and not just in size or in terms of the number of participation, but also in the extraordinary caliber of talent on display.
That's right, the talent and the sheer ambition of the films ay level up na talaga this year, direct.
Leveled up all the way. But before we move on, apart from pinakapanalong pelikula, our jury has also deliberated and chosen a film from the same set of nominees that stood out the most in terms of artistic integrity and vision.
And that's true, Direct Kurt, no? That equally prestigious award ay ang panalong karangalan mula sa mga hurado.
Of course, with a tight fight, our jury felt it was important to give recognition where it was deserved.
Nagkaroon ng deliberasyon ng mga hurado and decided to honor a film bukod sa pinakapanalong maikling pelikula. At ito ay ang panalong karangalan mula sa mga hurado.
I think everyone is excited, so ladies and gentlemen, here are the nominees for pinakapanalong maikling pelikula.
Pinakapanalong maikling pelikula. Mga nominado: Dan On Point, Jack Green, Louis An,
sa parehong set ng mga nominado. Nagkaroon ng masusing deliberasyon ang aming mga jurado upang mapili ang pelikulang namumagtangi at pinaniniwalaan nilang mag-iiwan ng marka sa industriya ng pelikula.
And of course, going home with the panalong karangalan mula sa mga jurado from the student short film category is De La Cruz Juan P. by Jean Rafael Verdejo.
To present the final trophies of the evening, may we once again call on our Pure Gold representatives, Ms. Ivy Piedad and Direct Chris Kahili.
Hello, mabuhay. I'm Sean Calvert.
Parang nanalo ng award ako.
Last year, March 2024, I had to switch a school. Kala ko wala na akong space sa pagkakulang. So thank you for giving me a chance to magpatuloy ko. To everyone na nakasama ko sa pagbuo nito, from pre-prod to post-prod, may Kasim po, CMT, and Nara. Thank you so much. Heart, thank you so much. Especially to my favorite collaborators. Photocopier, Max, Malik tayo. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Wala tang pelikulang to kung wala kayo. Hindi rin natapos ang paghahanap ni Juan. Patuloy natin kalapagin ng mga nasa itaas. Sigaw namin, taas na sakot, regulasyon at justisya. Nilamang
So, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Ako si Max. Fortunately, napiling producer ni Direk. So, I do remember, project niya lang to sa school. And then the first time that I read the script, I was so amazed kasi hindi siya basta isang kwento na you would want to join a contest with kasi gusto mo manalo. It's just not for aesthetics. And sa lahat ng mga pitching na pinagdaanan namin, lagi kong binabanggit, manalo-matalo kami or payagan man nila kami ng sponsorship or ng partnership. I will always love the material. Kasi binahal ko na yung panawagan bago pa yung material. So, liwan sa pagpapasalamat na nagustuhan ko ninyo ang De La Cruz Juan P. Gusto ko lang din pong humiling na kung tunay ninyong minahal ang kwento ni Juan, sana po yung kanyang mga panawagan ay dalhin natin sa labas din ng mga sinahan. Ipagpalaban po natin ang mga panawagan ng mga manggagawang Pilipino. Mabuhay ang mga manggagawang Pilipino sa lahat ng industriya. Mabuhay po yung mga recent from the Xperia, sa ating mga manggagawa na nandito, mula sa tech team, sa ating mga production team, at mahigit sa lahat, since nandito lahat ay mga nagpipelikula. Ibuhay po natin yung maayos at decente na working conditions para po sa ating lahat.
longer. Our pinakapanalong maikling pelikula for Pure Gold Cine Panalo 2025 that's going home with the Pure Gold Cine Panalo trophy plus a cash prize of 100,000 pesos is
Jack Green! Filter, Landlight FC60B with merch provided by MFP Rentals brand partner MQ Group and Landlight Philippines, as well as Holly Landlord C1 wireless microphone. Also from one of their brand partners, the C-Tech Enterprise, Holly Landtech Philippines. The Cine Panalo Committee will hand over the prizes after the event.
So much, your gold is nationality for and the jury. And thank you so much for giving us this award. I share these together with all the student filmmakers here. We have already won since we have already naikwento na natin yung mga kwento na mula sa ating puso. I also share this award with all the regional filmmakers, especially those that are coming from Mindanao. Ito ay isang patunay na kaya din natin, kaya natin magkwento ng mga makabuluhang kwento na may share natin, hindi lamang sa Mindanao, kundi para sa buong bansa. Gusto kong pasalamatan ng aking producers, si Mark, si Ronnie, si Miko, and si Bogoy, si Tony, at si Gian. I also would like to say thank you for more than half of the team from the province of Bukidnon na hindi kayang pumunta dito dahil sobrang layo. I'm celebrating this award with you in spirit. Gusto kong pasalamatan ang pinakamahusay kong DOP na si Daryl. Gusto ko rin pasalamatan si Migo, ang aking PB. Pasalamatan ko din ang aking sound na si Hana. At pasalamatan ko din ang aking mga aktor na mula pa sa Mindanao na bigay para sa selebrasyon ng aking gabi. Si Rebecca and si Maya the first time. Patuloy tayong magkwento. Magkwento lang tayo ng magkwento dahil tayo ay patuloy na mananalo at tayo ay patuloy na magkwento. Mabuhay po ang Pure Gold, mabuhay ang Regional Cine.
Congratulations sa pinakapanalo na yung pelikula. Congratulations also, Direk Kyle. Let me tear up a little bit, Direk Kurt. Wow, talaga namang napakaganda at napakahusay na pelikula.
Now, just like our student short film category, there's also a separate award for our jury for full length, aside from the pinakapanalong mahabang pelikula.
Yes, that's right, Direk Kurt. Siyempre, meron ding panalong karangalan mula sa mga hurado para sa ating full-length film category.
And of course, right now, we are also going to see from our nominees of the pinakapanalong mahabang pelikula.
Kaya huwag na natin patagalin pa. Narito na ang mga nominado para sa pinakapanalong mahabang pelikula.
Pinakapanalong pelikula. Mga nominado, full-length category. Fleeting. Olsen's Day. Tikkinili. Journey. Cold Love.
the winner. Unahin muna natin ang special award mula sa ating mga hurado. Ang panalong karangalan mula sa mga hurado.
And going home with the panalong karangalan mula sa mga hurado for the full-length film category is Tingkiliwi by Tanya.
Jury pa lang daw yan. Kasi may best picture. Goldfin! Goldfin, ano masasabi mo? Nanalo ang ano? Ano masasabi mo? Nanalo yung Anora? Goldfin? Ano mo umahawak ng cellphone siya si Goldfin ko? Ano masasabi mo? Nanalo yung Anora? Yung may hawak po ng cellphone siya si Goldfin.
I don't want to forget anybody. First of all, we share this award with the cast and crew who are in Iloilo, and also to Tita Ruby. Tita Ruby, when I had moments of self-doubt on the set, she was a source of wisdom.
He remembers me.
So, thank you so much, Tini Manalo. Thank you so much, DMZ. To my crew from Bonfire. To all the sponsors of Cine Panalo, from Pure Gold, T6, Sina Bebet Casas, from Soundsmith, Gateway, everyone. Thank you so much po. We're very happy. I don't really make a lot of films, pero I felt that this material was suited for Cine Panalo. So, sinabit ko siya and ito ba natapos siya, and I'm so happy na appreciate niyo po lang. Thank you so much.
Once again, congratulations to the cast and crew of Tingkiliwi. I must say that the edition, or this edition, of Pure Gold Cine Panalo is an electric year for full-length films. And right now, I'm sure everyone can't wait for us to finally reveal Pure Gold Cine Panalo's pinakapanalong mahabang pelikula.
That is so true, Direct Kurt, and if I'm not mistaken, you took home the pinakapanalong mahabang pelikula for Honor of the Ayamun last year, tama ba? And so parang ang vibes on, parang passing the baton. Tama ba, Direct?
Yes, thank you so much, Maui. To this day, I'm really still grateful for the opportunity that Pure Gold gave me. But tonight, we're starting a new chapter and giving the spotlight to the standout film of Pure Gold Cine Panalo 2025.
That's correct, Direct Kurt, and the winner will also take home a Pure Gold Cine Panalo trophy plus a cash prize of 250,000 pesos!
Okay, so let's not delay any further. Ang pinakapanalong mahabang pelikula ng Pure Gold Cine Panalo ay Palo by Tia!
Thank you po sa lahat, Sine Panalo, Pure Gold, sa lahat po ng sponsors, sa cast and crew ko from Iloilo and dito rin sa Manila, sa buong production,